Hi, my name is Nick, and this tooltip is on creating porch roofs. Creating a porch roof can be as easy as stretching the edge out to cover your porch, or as simple as adjusting the roof type to be a double slope. Let's first look at creating a roof by stretching the edge over our porch. So I'm going to go back into a 2D plan view, and I'm going to left click and select the edge of my roof. Once I do that, I have all the different arrows that highlight to allow me to adjust each individual edge separately. I'm going to simply move this edge, so I'm going to move my cursor over that arrow, and I can see that my cursor now turns into the move cursor. I'm going to left click and hold, I'm going to move my mouse down, and I'm going to snap that to the edge of my porch. And just like that, I've stretched the edge out to create a covered porch roof. But let's say I want to turn this into a double slope roof, because I want this to actually be a different slope than the rest of my roof. So I'm going to go back into 2D. I'm going to reselect that same edge, and this time I'm going to right click and I'm going to say properties. Now in my properties I need to define some variables. I first want to make sure that this is set to be a double slope. By doing that, I now have two sections of my roof. The first section, or surface 1, is the portion that is going to cover the porch itself. So I want that to be a 312. The second portion is the rest of that roof that ties into the main house, and I want that to remain a 612. I'm going to go back to surface 1, and I need to make some more adjustments. The first one is the horizontal distance. This is the distance from the bearing point to the edge of the roof itself. So this is where the roof sits on the beam of my porch, and this is the bearing point that I want to sit on or near my wall. And I know that that distance is 5 feet. So I'm going to change that F value to be 5 feet. I also need to adjust my fascia distance, and I know that this is 8 feet because I set that in my main roof. So I'm going to adjust that to be 8 feet. I'm now going to say OK, and it's now created that double slope for me. And when I look at that in a 3D view, I can see that I have a 312 roof over my porch tying into a 612 roof into my main house. We hope this tooltip helps you moving forward. Thank you.